Hey, do you know you don't actually need an AI to write a great essay? Yep, you heard it right. And trust me, you'll want to stick around until the end because I'm going to walk you through a proven strategy your teachers probably never taught you that will make you confident in writing essays without an AI. The first step is simple. Decide on your main point. Most essay prompts ask you to take a side, right? So let's say your essay is about whether students should use ChatGPT for learning. Do you agree or disagree? Make your choice and write it down in a simple sentence like this. Students should use ChatGPT to improve their learning experience. This will be your starting point. Nice and clear. Next, you need to back up the main point with 3 supporting ideas. Why 3, you ask? Because it helps break things down in a way that's easy for our brains to handle. Trust me, this makes your essay stronger and more impactful because the reader doesn't get lost in any complicated details. So think of 3 reasons why students should use ChatGPT. Here's an example. Students should use ChatGPT because it helps them write faster, get instant feedback, and practice their English skills. See? 3 solid reasons and you're set. Now that you have your main point and 3 reasons, you can write your thesis statement. Just combine them into one paragraph, like this. Students should use ChatGPT for learning because it helps them write faster, get instant feedback, and improve their English skills. There you go. Your thesis statement is also your outline. You just map out your entire essay in one paragraph. Now it's time to write the body. You've got 3 sections, each one based on your 3 reasons. Start each paragraph with a lead sentence and then add supporting details. For example, in your first paragraph, you could start with, ChatGPT helps students write faster by generating ideas and organizing content efficiently. Then give more examples. Talk about how ChatGPT can create an outline, suggest different structures, or help brainstorm when students feel stuck. In the second paragraph, focus on the feedback aspect. ChatGPT provides instant feedback on grammar, spelling, and sentence structure. Explain how students can use it to improve their writing in real time rather than waiting for a teacher to mark up their work. And for the third paragraph, you could say, using ChatGPT helps students practice their English by interacting with a fluent AI-powered tool. You can add details about how ChatGPT helps with vocabulary, grammar, and phrasing, making it a great practice tool for ESL learners. Now let's touch on intros and conclusions. For the intro, you just need a quick sentence to set a stage before your thesis statement. Something like, as technology becomes more integrated into education, tools like ChatGPT are changing how students learn. Then you drop your thesis statement right after that. For the conclusion, keep it simple. It doesn't have to be fancy. You just need to reword your thesis statement. For example, ChatGPT is an effective tool for students because it speeds up writing, offers instant feedback, and enhances English language skills. It's just a restatement. And finally, make sure to proofread. Look out for contradictions, irrelevant details, typos, and grammar mistakes. Now that you've got the steps down, you're ready to tackle any essay. And remember, these same principles work for all types of writing. So keep practicing. Oh, and if you're looking for more tips on writing essays or improving your study habits, I've got plenty more coming up. So stay tuned by hitting that subscribe button below.